Get ready, kids! It's time for the most colorful battle ever! Meet Parrot and Strawberry in the Great Hero Showdown!
Hi, I'm Percy the Parrot, and I'm more than just a rainbow with wings. When I eat fruits, I drop seeds that grow into new trees and plants.
Hi, I'm Sally Strawberry, the sweetest superhero in town. I'm full of vitamin C that keeps you healthy, strong, and ready for fun.
That's cool, Sally, but without me planting seeds, there'd be fewer plants for you to grow on. I'm like the gardener of the jungle.
True, Percy, but without me, kids wouldn't have my juicy powers. I make parts strong, skin shiny, and playtime super fun.
So who's the real hero? It's both, because together they keep our planet happy and our bodies healthy.